how to protect your computer from malicious software. What is malicious software? Any software that allows partial or complete control over your electronic device to the creator of that software is known as a malicious software or even malware. They could come as various forms like virus, spyware, rootkit, backdoor, exploit, adware, worm, trojan, riskware, pornware. The extent of damage that this malicious software can cause can be either minor or could bring your entire system crashing down with little or no hope of data recovery. This is exactly why you should know how to protect your data. So the question arises, how can data be protected? Data protection can come in different forms. Free software. If someone is offering you good software for free, then be suspicious. There are several freeware online, but when you install them they are most likely to come with added software that you do not really want or need, and it might just contain some malware too. The infamous Windows Critical Update is form that asks you install an update, and before you know it, you're hit with malware and your computer will start acting all strange. Unknown emails and attachments. You are never going to be notified over email about winning $1 million, so you might as well not click on that email that claims just that. They may contain images, attachments, or even links, and when you click on them they start taking over your computer and could control how it acts. Beware of pop-ups. Do not click on any suspicious pop-ups that you come across while browsing on the internet just to get rid of them. For all you know they could triggers to activate malware. Always read the licensing information carefully before clicking on a click-wrap agreement. Install a good antivirus and anti-spyware. Make sure you purchase a licensed version of a robust antivirus or spyware. Make sure you use it. Scan your computer regularly and update. Your data is in your hands. Perceiving how to protect data can be helpful as it prevents identity theft, intellectual property theft, and a lot more. It can save you a lot of time, energy, money, and effort if you just install feasible data protection software, and I know one company that would really help you out. And why do we need it? Thanks to cloud computing and mobile revolution, they now have access to all the softwares at the click of a button. While getting access to any software is easy, piracy has also become very common. The virtual world is filled with users who are waiting to copy that particular code. This is where you can rely on KryptKey products. Providing superior software protection and software licensing tools since 1992, KryptKey provides the best in data protection. It is important to protect your data from illegal downloading and piracy from the net users. KryptKey provides software licensing management, copy protection, software security. It gives you the exact parameters on how to protect your data. For more information you can contact them at phone 403-258-6274 Intel +1 403-258-6274, or email them at info@kryptkey.com, or simply visit them at kryptkey.com.